So I've done the first one on this page, and we're going to move to the next page. Going to give you some examples. Okay? Given an approximate normal distribution with a mean of 121 and a standard deviation of 40, we're going to draw a normal curve and label 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations on both sides of the mean. Then we're going to answer these questions below. So first I'm going to draw that like normal curve. Where does 121 go? In the middle. Okay. I need to know 1, 2, and 3 on either side. How do I know how to get from 121 to the next one? Add 40. Good. Because that's the standard deviation right here. It's 40, right? So I get 161, and then I'm going to add 40 more, and I get 201, and then I add 40 more, and I'm going to get 241. And now I'm going to go to 121, and I'm going to subtract 40, and I'm going to get 81, and then I'm going to subtract 40, and I'm going to get, and then I'm going to subtract 40, and I'm going to get 1. Okay. Now I'm going to answer these 5 questions, or 4 questions, 5 questions. What intervals contain 68% of the data? From what to what? I heard it from, go ahead. 81 to 161, which you started to do too, Nevaeh. That was good. What interval is between 95%? 95. 41 to 201. Okay. Which percentage, and Abby, hold on for 1 second. I want to see if somebody else knows the answer, okay? What is 99.7%? From what to what? 1 to 241. Nice. You did? What percentage of the values are above 201? What percentage of the values are above 201? So it's from here up. It's this and this. So we should be adding 2.35 and 0.15. You guys see that? So it should be 2.5%. Yeah, because that's on the other side of it. So we want above. What percent values are below 81? So everything, we're going to add everything up below 81. We get 16%. How are we feeling? We want to keep practicing this?
Oh, we got to go to homework. No. We can practice it, but like, okay.
Yes. You got a question?
Don't I'm waiting. The thing with the percent part, that should.
This down here?
Yeah,
okay. So do you have this paper in front of you, though? Okay. So the only thing we're doing for this is adding stuff together. So we've got to figure out if they fall here, if I'm asking for stuff here and stuff here, and then I'm just adding those percentages together. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's try task number 2. Are we with me? Are we off our phones? Because I will collect it. Okay, so given an approximately normal distribution with a mean of 159 and a standard deviation of 70, then we can answer these questions. Miss S., will you do me a favor? Will you make an answer key for number 3, for task number 3? So we're on 2 right now. Can you do number 3? Okay. Well, I'm going to have you guys check with Miss S when I'm done with this one. Can I have you try it? So, task number 3. So this one right there, because I'm going to have them come ask you questions about it afterwards. Okay, so I'm at 159. I need 3 standard deviations. So the next one's 229, 299, 3 what? 69? Okay, so Christian, do you know how I'm getting these numbers?
Yeah, that's easy.
Okay. All right, 159 minus 70 gives us, minus 70 gives me, what is it? 19? And negative 51. Okay. All right.
So okay.
What percentage values are within the interval 89 to 299? So I'm looking right here, right, Christian? You with me?
Yeah.
Do you see on your curve that like this is 34, this is 34, this is 13.5?
Yeah.
Okay? And I want 80, so I'm literally adding those three things together.
Yeah.
And what do I get?
How long?
So we're going 34 plus 34 plus 13.5, and I'm getting 81.5. So that's how I'm getting that percentage. We'll keep going. We'll keep going. Okay, now I want between 19 and 159. Well, this is 13.5 right here. So I'm going from 19 to 159. So I'm literally just adding those two, correct? So I'm going 34 plus 13.5 gives me 47.5. We okay so far? All right. Now, remember, 99.7% is between the third standard deviation. So it's negative 51 to 369. Okay? We know that, this is 2.35 up here, and this is 0.15. I want to know what percentage of the values are above 229. So that's just those two, which is how much? 2.35 plus 0.15 is, we can do this, 2.35 plus 0.15 gives me 2.5%. Okay, now this is a harder question. What percentage of values are above, outside the interval 19 to 29? So I don't want anything in between. I want everything on the outside. Good, which gives us? I'm hearing a lot of people say it. What did we end up getting? 5%. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. You guys are going to do task number 3. You're going to do task number 3. And then you're going to check it in with Miss S. And that is your classwork. Your homework for tonight, are you ready? Your homework for tonight is I'm going to give you 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are going to be your homework. So you have to get 3 done in class. It's worth points. 4 and 5 are going to be your homework.